Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 30 instantly useful car gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Gear Shift Hoodie Cover by Slack. This quirky little gadget is a fun and unique way to add personality to your car's interior. Designed to look like a miniature hoodie, it's made from velvet fabric that feels soft to the touch and offers a cozy, comfortable vibe. It's available in multiple colors, so you can choose one that complements your car's aesthetic or simply pick your favorite. While the primary purpose is decorative, this cover also provides some practical benefits. It helps protect your gear shift knob from scratches, dust, and even the chill of winter mornings. The installation is as simple as slipping it over your gear shift knob, and the upgraded dimensions make it compatible with most cars. Plus, being machine washable ensures it's easy to keep clean. However, its utility is limited to being a visual enhancement and light protector. So it's more of a novelty item than a must-have gadget. The Gear Shift Hoodie Cover is perfect for anyone looking to add a playful touch to their vehicle. Its cute design makes it a great gift for friends and family who love their cars. The downside is that its functionality is minimal, so it's not for those seeking practical value. But if you're all about style and fun, it's a great pick. Coming in at number 4 is the Lucky Bay Car Seat Side Organizer. If you're tired of small items cluttering your car, this is a simple yet effective solution. Designed to fit snugly along the side of your car seat, this organizer offers 3 pockets, 2 mesh, and 1 zippered, perfect for holding your phone, keys, snacks, or even a small notepad. The durable Oxford material ensures it can handle daily wear and tear, and its stretchable strap system makes it universally compatible with most cars and SUVs. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. You just attach it to the bottom area of your front passenger seat, and you're good to go. While it's not a flashy gadget, it's a practical addition that helps keep your car tidy. The waterproof material adds an extra layer of protection, especially if you're storing items that might leak or spill. However, its compact size means it's best suited for lightweight items and won't replace a full-scale car organizer. The Lucky Bay Car Seat Side Organizer is great for commuters, parents, and anyone who wants to keep their car essentials within arm's reach. The downside? It's not ideal for holding larger or bulkier items. But if you want a convenient and affordable way to declutter your car, this organizer is worth considering. At number 3, we have the HOTOR Car Trash Can with Lid. Keeping your car clean has never been easier, thanks to this compact, leak-proof trash bin. Measuring just 8.1 by 3.6 by 3.6 inches, it's small enough to fit in cup holders, door pockets, or even seat back pockets, making it versatile for almost any vehicle. It also comes with 15 disposable trash bags that are durable and tear-resistant, so you don't have to worry about spills. One of the standout features is its flip-top lid, which opens easily and closes automatically to lock in odors. This is especially useful if you're dealing with food wrappers or other smelly waste. The diamond-shaped design gives it a modern and stylish look, making it more than just a functional accessory. It's also a subtle decor piece. Cleaning the trash can is hassle-free, thanks to its smooth, waterproof interior. The HOTOR Car Trash Can is ideal for busy families, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants to maintain a clean car. On the downside, the 600 milliliters capacity may be too small for those who generate a lot of waste on the go. Still, its convenience, design, and odor-blocking features make it a solid choice for keeping your car tidy. Our runner-up is the Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel, a must-have tool for keeping your car's interior spotless. This reusable cleaning putty is designed to tackle all those hard-to-reach places, like air vents, cup holders, and dashboard crevices. It's incredibly easy to use. Just press the gel onto the dusty area, and it lifts dirt and debris away effortlessly. Plus, it has a light, sweet fragrance that leaves your car smelling fresh. The gel is made from high-quality materials that stick to dust but not to your hands, ensuring a mess-free experience. It's reusable until it turns black, and while you can't wash it with water, storing it in its jar after use helps extend its lifespan. Beyond cars, It's versatile enough to clean keyboards and other small gadgets around your home or office. The Pulidiki car cleaning gel is perfect for meticulous car owners who want a quick and effective way to clean tight spaces. The only drawback is that it's not suitable for carpets or overly textured surfaces. But if you're looking for a simple, reusable cleaning tool, this gel is a fantastic option. Taking the top spot is the Fovel 200-watt car power inverter, a game-changing gadget for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. This compact yet powerful device converts your car's 12-volt DC outlet into 2 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, making it an excellent choice for powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other devices. Despite its impressive capabilities, it's small enough to fit in your glove compartment, making it incredibly portable. What sets this inverter apart is its advanced safety features, including protection against short circuits, low voltage, overcharging, and overheating. It even has a smart cooling fan that keeps it running quietly, ramping up only when needed. The durable construction and thoughtful design make it a reliable companion for road trips, work commutes, or even emergency situations. The Fovel Car Power Inverter is a must-have for road warriors, campers, and families looking to stay connected on long drives. The only caveat is that it's not suitable for high-power devices like hair dryers. But for most everyday electronics, this inverter is a lifesaver, making it our #1 pick for instantly useful car gadgets. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.